Welcome guys for the part 2. Till then guys, try my eyes crush.
Where is your other biscuit?
I don't know. So I live in Philippines. Don't mind, I don't blame about me that I live in America. You see this? This is from Philippines, the supercut. Hippity tweet. So we have to send this to YouTube. And please do not do bad to me. Okay. Now we will go out for a minute. So let's go. Man, what's wrong with you? Oh my gosh. Please, please, please. Now let's go.
You're not hungry pa?
Yeah. It's traffic. What is that traffic? This is my dad. You can call him Dada, or you can call him Sir. But this is not our motorcycle. Well, no. Before when we arrived, there's only us park here. Now, they already has lots of motors. What happened to them? Uy!
Punta dyan mo.
Let's go. Merbasosit sa Merbasosit sa Merbasosit na hamos sa gasolina kami na gasolina ho kami na gasolina kami na gasolina sa gasolina kami na gasolina kami na gasolina kami na gasolina. What is wrong with them? Kami na gasolina kami na gasolina mabolo. Just wait for a minute, don't get dito. Okay. Kami na gasolina. Kami na gasolina. Sa gasolina. Kami na gasolina. Sa gasolina. Kami na gasolina. My first time recording on the road. Dadano. But mommy ba? Record the road when we are in a tunnel. and also Facebook. Dada, no? What is wrong with you? What kind of boat, da? What kind of boat are we gonna fuel?
The Kamael and the Udell.
What pier?
Udell.
What pier? Pier 1, Pier 2, or Pier 3? My gosh. Pier 1.
Pin, 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 pin.
Don't blame it on me.
Pin, 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 pin. Slowly, ha? You watch, ha?
Big boy. First time recording on the road. Oh my gosh. There now already is the noodle or the... Is that already the noodle? Yes or no?
Kamael.
The kamarel. Kamarel.
Kamael.
Kamael. So you're gonna build the kamael.
Klase ka? Naman. Ang haran ako bilin dia sa mong boarding. Ha?
Yeah. Are you gonna fuel the kamael?
Ingat man.
The kamael.
I'm gonna fuel the Kamael.
Since it already arrived, now you're gonna fuel.
Yes. Are you recording
Yeah.
or something?
Yeah. Kag. Oh my gosh, that is the Philippines Airlines, but they already have.
Hey. Hello.
Already
Morning.
here.
Go inside. Hi. Morning. Morning. Yagoy. Kitadaan ako. Sorry, sorry. Wala mo na wifi, delivery mo.
gosh. It's already here.
Kuy, ara. Mobil tang kamael. Ah, na di ay. 1.5. You want to go inside the boat?
Yeah.
Come here. In the
Uy,
boat. Inside.
ito.
Oh. Inside ba? In the boat. Aloy!
Ay. So this is maybe the difficult one. Yeah, yeah.
Come here. Oh.
Oh my gosh. So we are the solo.
You take a video. Hello. Ay. Ayaw, ayaw. Diyan lang.
The what is that that one?
It's not good. Yummy. Eating inside lang ba? It's the judel, oh. They're not the judel. That one. Judel.
Oh my gosh. They are gonna collide again. They are gonna collide.
They're not going to collide.
Why are they stopping? Why are they stopping there?
They just park.
You know it's in the middle of the ocean.
You just need to drop the anchor.
How is that a fishing boat?
No, it's the barge. It's the
Birds? So don't mind me. Why do you work here? Why do you want to work here instead of working on the airport?
in the airport.
Yeah.
I don't want in the airport.
Why? Why?
It's far.
So you pick a nearest job. This place is near in the house. Now they are jealous about me because I was inside the boat. Oh my gosh!
Let's go.
It's a spider.
It's a spider. Oh, come here. Slowly na.
Ano man lang? Said.
Oh, it's here now.
Yeah. Mom, Dada. Are you not allowed to run inside the boat?
Take a video properly.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I want to see the boat. I want to see the boat. Oh my gosh. The boat is so nice. That is the come here, sa. Oh my gosh, the boat is so cute. It's so nice. Oh my gosh. Wow. Yeah, never mind. Doors to be kept closed at sea. No passenger access while the vessel is cruising. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What is wrong? Oh my gosh. I bought a married phone. In Philippines, we call this cell phone. Payong buntag. Hello? Somebody's here. Where is the engine of the boat? Where is the engine of this boat?
Here. That in the manhole.
Manhole?
They can go inside here. Going to the engine and there.
But you cannot run. That's why you don't allow us to run.
Ako na, oh. Pwede naman siya. Ha? Kani mo larga? Nagkuhan ano? Laundry detergent. Congrats!
Yeah.
Phone.
Jacob's at me.
Stay there. Yan, so mag-bag. The cellphone and the bag. Put na there, in the middle.
Ayaw ba? Ano ba? Ayaw ba? Ayaw ha.
Ano mag-udya?
Mau gani ko. Kabago ko naman ka din ha. Naman ka ni. Duha ka buo. Mana ni.
Wala, ano mag-udya ko?
Mau gani ko. Uy, uy, uy. Chelsea. Where is my dad? Shoot him. Ay! Da, are you gonna fuel that boat?
Yeah, there already preparing for the funeral.
So guys, I am recording the outside part of the English box. So please don't care about the officers. You did. Happy later, and I'm getting an happy later. Happy later, and I'm happy later. Bata!
Stay there lang. Open lang. See up there.
Ano ba? We even don't care about this. I think they have they bring their pets.
Pilihan ng puntahan sa ka.
Number 5, number 2.
Ayaw no kanang kuan pila may laday.
Ang 6, ihatag mo sa sarili.
Kinang ha? Kinang kay bubalik para bata na niya. Hindi na makuha kinang manginanglan kung bakante ka dusi.
5 minyak mo na. Ay nako, kapante ha.
Batiwas.
Adi, number 4, iwan na nila. Ace Manila.
Oh.
5, yaman na ba outro?
Inalan si Juan kay mo.
Sir. Kuha kung may karang nauna.
Di ayaw na. Bukuha ta dili kay ayaw pangutanan niya kay mubalik pa ta para ugma.
Number 5.
Number 5 out number 6 kuha kay mo.
Kamu?
Unsa na ato? Unsa diay na?
Balik mo niya. Para ugma.
Walang lison.
Number 1.
What is wrong with you? What's wrong with you?
No siya kung maong niya. Hapon.
What's wrong with you? What is wrong with you?
Oh, mga bakantera ta. Yan. Uli
Ikaw,
mo, kanya kumani ko ang Sariel. Sa kantera ta. Ari ko magpapuyog ni Sariel sa dos.
Okay. Pag tulong ako permit ako ginanglan niya. Nanti 4.
Dili. 4 buwan.
Yes.
Eh, waman ko na pa siya. Wala. Sugod na.
Six. Isa kay niya mga lapas.
What is that?
Okay na siya lang sunda. Pasira. Ikaw at video ang pasero.
Okay. Unsa di na? Ato.
Basta.
Ato ba? Ano ba? Ano ba? Unsa di na? Ana,
Ut yung gamay.
military di na?
Hmm.
Military na?
Oo.
Ha?
Military.
So, military training na sila. Ma-check daw ko ang time. 68. Ha? Oh, 8 pa ko. Ingon daw akong mama. Hey, come on. Sea Eagle. Waga uy. Ingon na ako. Sea Eagle.
Sa iyo.
Sea Eagle. Sea Eagle na to. Isa. Capture na lang no. Oo nani sa. Capture na lang no nani. Unsa diay na. Mamili din na sila. Yo ba?
Init. Oh.
Philippines. Aquarium. Manini mo ang aircon, oy. Isa di ay na
Hard hat.
para sa motor, cross.
Tulo.
Usa ka buo. Sana. Ikaw ba? Don't know what TV this is. What the? See you in the part 3.